This is groundbreaking for advertising and marketing because now we have AI tools that allow us to make simulated 3D AI environments, even if someone like myself is not an expert in Blender. Now, before I show you the concept that I've made and how I made it, I want to let you know that my name is Jonah Blake and I'm the founder of Real Agency. We've worked with a lot of companies in tech, finance, gaming, helping them with go-to-market, awareness, sales, partnerships, grants, investments. We're a multi-purpose firm, and my belief is as a small agency, it is in our best interest to get ahead of the technology because I believe AI is going to change everything. With that being said, this is a sample of a new type of meme, a 3D meme for a brand called Wrecked Drinks. Wrecked Drinks did not pay me or my firm to do this. I just thought the brand was cool, and I know this particular influencer. He's a really smart guy, and we're going to show you what I did. So the goal for Wrecked Brands is they're building an energy drink that has this Wall Street sort of flavor. It's the drink for traders. It's the drink for degens. And so what is that associated with? Well, girls, cars, golfing, very male dominant objectives. And so what I did is I took screenshots from the Wrecked Drinks website and I combined it with our own in-house character that we call Sploot, and I imported both screenshots into a 3D AI modeler called Krea. Now, Krea has multi-purpose tools that are not just for 3D modeling, but 3D modeling is the newest thing they've released, and it's really, really impressive. So I wanted to generate a golf course, I wanted to generate golf carts, and I wanted to generate trees, and I put clouds around the drink and had the clouds give like a neon green energy flow. Next, I took a screenshot of that 3D scene that we created in Krea and I put it into GPT-4o, and I gave a prompt saying, improve this as if it was a commercial still, add women, add decadence, add dancing. So now that we've done that, we went to Kling. In particular, there's two models in Kling. For better continuity, you want to use Kling 1.6, but for much better fidelity and graphic quality, use Kling 2.0. And I did two different generations, and I explained what shots I wanted, and I put the Sploot character and the dancing girls as the front frame and the emitting green arrows scene as the end frame. And what was produced is quite an awesome meme ad. The difference here and why this is so important and so impactful is it didn't necessarily hallucinate from a text to image, from a 3D environment we created and hallucinated 3D objects, and then from the images of that 3D environment, it then hallucinated a clone of those images, and then from those images, it hallucinated a clip. And this is really amazing because I was able to do this in just under an hour. And there's a lot of other things I didn't add here. I didn't add original music. I didn't add narration. I didn't do multiple frame editing so that way it has even more continuity. There's so many other things I could have added here that made the commercial really impactful. And what would normally cost $30,000 to $50,000 from an agency, I can do it on a budget of under $1,000 and do it in under an hour. In terms of in-house cost, right? This doesn't mean that's what we charge clients. This is really impactful to the world of marketing and advertising, and I do suggest you try and do this for yourself. And I don't think AI replaces artists at all, but I do think it optimizes those art teams into making something really cool and creative. Anyway, if you want more videos, give me a like, a follow, and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.